Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down below in the description. Also, keep in mind that this is my personal experience with the product or service. Today we're looking at PTCI, found at https://www.ptci.com. PTCI, or Power Transmission Components Incorporated, specializes in providing a diverse range of power transmission solutions. Their website serves as a comprehensive resource for anyone working with mechanical power transmission systems. Navigating the site, you'll discover an extensive catalog of products including belts, chains, sprockets, gears, bearings, and more. PTCI doesn't just offer a wide selection of components, they also provide valuable resources and expertise. You'll find technical information, product specifications, and even CAD drawings to assist in selecting the right parts for your application. Whether you're designing a new system or maintaining existing equipment, PTCI appears to be a one-stop shop for all your power transmission needs. Their online presence makes it easy to research and locate the specific components required, potentially saving time and effort. Further exploration of the PTCI website reveals a commitment to quality and customer service. They highlight their industry experience and emphasize their dedication to providing reliable solutions. For engineers, maintenance professionals, and anyone involved in power transmission projects, PTCI's online resources appear to be a valuable asset. From initial design to ongoing maintenance, they seem to offer a complete solution for keeping your systems running smoothly. The breadth of products and the supporting technical information available on their website makes PTCI a resource worth exploring further. It's clear they've invested in creating a platform that caters to the specific needs of their target audience within the power transmission industry. This depth of information and the readily available product catalog makes PTCI a potential partner for any power transmission project. Their focus appears to be on delivering not just components, but complete solutions backed by experience and expertise.